How is alcohol dependence diagnosed? The older method of doing this is called the CAGE questionnaire, and each letter in the word CAGE stands for a question. So C is, have you tried to cut down in the past? If a person says yes, then they score 1. A is for, has anybody been annoyed by your drinking, typically a loved one? Again, if the answer is yes, that's the second score. G is for, have you ever felt guilty about your drinking? Which is a very common thing. I think most people, when they drink to excess, would feel that guilt the next morning. So that would be +3. And E is for eye-opener, meaning after a night of drinking, have you had it necessary where you need to have another drink? And that question I never really understood why people need to do that, but it made sense later on when I learned that people, when they're hungover, the best way to treat the hangover is to take another drink. Medically, I would not recommend that, but this is how it is a withdrawal syndrome, so having another drink is a way of attenuating those symptoms. So people who are long-term alcohol users tend to rely on the eye opener. So if they have had this before, then they get a 4 on the test. The main thing of this test, though, is there's no real cutoff criteria. If the answer is yes to any of those questions, then that could be a strong indication there could be alcohol dependence. So that's the quick way, but the next way to do it is to seek advice from a drug treatment counselor or an addictionist, or even your family doctor is fine as well.